Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Barack Obama this morning during his 5-day visit to the US President. And in fact, Obama hosted a private dinner at the White House for the Indian Prime Minister. Ahead of the bilateral level talks, Prime Minister addressed CFR and top US CEOs. During his address, Prime Minister Modi gave an open invitation to investors and said India is an ideal place for investment.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi meeting Barack Obama at the White House. The US President hosting a dinner for Modi before the two leaders get down to business. The dinner with Obama setting the stage for summit-level talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Barack Obama. But before that happens, Modi had already set terms for Uncle Sam.
जहां तक ट्रेड फैसिलिटेशन का सवाल है, हम 101% एग्री है। लेकिन मेरे देश में गरीब लोग हैं। गरीबों को भूखा रख करके हम नहीं चल सकते और इसलिए फूड सिक्योरिटी एंड ट्रेड फैसिलिटेशन दोनों चीजें एक साथ चलनी चाहिए, ये मेरे देश का आग्रह है।
Seasoned US diplomats claim the first Obama-Modi meet will be more of an icebreaker between the two leaders.
I think my principal hope is that the President and the Prime Minister get their two minds together, create a relationship, because once they do that, then so much flows that facilitates government-to-government relationships.
But Modi has already spelled out an area of concern for India.
A majority of the American troops are scheduled to withdraw from Afghanistan by the end of 2014. Remaining troops will leave by the end of 2016. However, Prime Minister Narendra Modi thinks that the troop withdrawal process from Afghanistan should be far slower and paced out so that Afghanistan is back on its feet before American troops leave the country. He warned that if this was not done in a timely fashion, then the resulting chaos could be similar to what's taking place in Iraq.
अफगानिस्तान में विड्रॉल की प्रोसेस बहुत स्लो होनी चाहिए। अफगानिस्तान को आपके बल पर खड़े होने देना चाहिए, तभी जाकर के तालिबान को उभरने से वो रोक पाएगा। और इसलिए अमेरिका और भारत दोनों ने मिलकर के अफगानिस्तान में पूरी तरह कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर के काम किया है।
A direct message to Obama that he's open to strengthening strategic ties along with a focus on business.
He's made an enormous impact, and what I think we are seeing more than the whole issue of US-India alliance, which everybody is focused on, I think this is really a Narendra Modi show. This is about Narendra Modi coming onto the world stage and showing what an impactful politician he can be. He does realize, though, that he is raising a lot of expectations as he has done today.
Clear and forthright, Modi has created quite a stir on his maiden visit to the US after becoming the Prime Minister.
He's a very forceful speaker, very definite in what he brings. I would suggest that his emphasis, as I just said a second ago, his emphasis on international economic engagement is a really important piece of his foreign policy platform. That's very impressive. But I was also impressed with what he said today about democracy and the very strong statement on international terrorism and the problems in the Middle East right now in Iraq and Syria.
Going by the rousing reception Modi has got in Washington, his meeting with Obama is being closely watched. With Natasha in New York, Shreyashi Dev, Times Now.